Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Kristy, the sales manager here at Generation Family Properties. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get weekly property videos.
Hey, land buyers thinking about buying raw land? Before you sign, you need to understand wells, septic systems, and power, the essentials that can make or break your property. Most raw land doesn't have city sewer. You'll likely need a septic system, but the soil has to pass a perk test to handle wastewater. Here's a tip: if you have poor soil drainage, it can double or triple your costs to install a system, so always check with the county or a local expert before buying. If there's no city water, you'll need a well. Things to check are the average well depth in the area, the cost per foot to drill, and nearby productive wells. A call to a local well driller can save you thousands and prevent surprises. And of course, I'm always happy to help you look at averages in the area. Check to see if electric lines are nearby. If not, connecting to the grid can be expensive. Some other utilities to consider would be internet and cell signal. And always look for Starlink because that's a very popular service for rural land. You can use propane or gas appliances, and then don't forget to check for trash and mail services. For off-grid setups, solar and generators are options. Just confirm local rules. Here's some quick tips. First, confirm what's allowed with county planning and zoning offices. If you need help locating the phone number to call, let me know. I'll help. 2, look for utility easements. Also pretty easy to find, and I'll know if any of our properties have easements on them. Number 3, don't assume neighboring parcels are the same. Knowing about wells, septic, and power can save you thousands and make your land purchase stress-free. If this helped, like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. I post weekly land tips for buyers and all of our available properties. Happy land hunting. See you guys next time. Bye.